Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because today we are going to cover the type of questions where students usually face problems. They do mistakes even. Please check the situations. Usually mistakes happens with the negative or positive signs. Look at the first question. Negative sign, then 2 cube, minus, then bracket start, then minus 2 cube. I am going to solve it and will also explain what mistake usually students do. Let me start with the first question. Minus 2 cube minus minus 2 then cube. If you know the answer, you can also write. We will compare it. See, this negative sign cube is not for this negative sign. This exponent 3 lies on only 2. First of all, this thing everybody should remember. So I am just copying this negative sign as it is because this negative is not negative 2. This negative sign is operational sign, arithmetic sign is there. And 2 cube is 8. So it becomes minus 8. Again this negative sign as it is. Now when we do negative 2 cube, do remember now negative 2 sign is in the bracket. That means impact of this cube is on both of them, negative sign as well as 2. If the exponent is odd, then negative sign will remain negative. That is the rule. So I am writing negative sign as it is. 2 cube is 8. So this is what we are going to get. And if we solve it further, negative 8. Now see, minus and minus, when two signs comes together and the case of multiplication, then minus and minus becomes plus. So it becomes plus 8. Now minus 8 and plus 8, it becomes 0. So final answer for this question is 0. I hope first question you are able to understand. Let's move to second question now. You check the statement. You can try out doing the second question and let me know the final answer of this. Okay, second question. Statement is written over above. Minus 3 square. Mistake usually happens here. Many of you as well might be thinking that minus 3 square is going to be 9. But as told earlier, this negative sign without bracket, that means it is just an sign of arithmetic operation. This square is there only on 3. Do remember, it is only on 3. 3 square is 9. This square will not impact the negative sign in front of it. Plus, yes, this negative 2, it is in the bracket. Square will have impact on both of them. Negative sign, when square will be done, it becomes positive. So 2 square is 4. Now here I am going to get positive answer, minus 9 then plus 4. So plus 4 is positive here. And minus 9 plus 4 is negative 5. Because minus 9 plus 4 everybody knows. See, when opposite signs are there, we do subtraction. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now bigger value is having negative, so final answer will be negative. This rule is already covered in separate videos, but I hope the main concept which we wanted to cover, that exponent, when it will be considered with a negative sign or when it is not considered, it all depends on whether bracket is there or not. I hope you are clear with the concept. Thank you so much for watching the video.